Hello everyone! Today we're going to finish up our pumpkin project by adding some details to our jack-o'-lanterns and creating a background. I am using a placemat underneath my jack-o'-lantern because I think I might end up going off the edge. What we're going to do is we're going to find a yellow oil pastel. Look how dirty this one is. You'll notice oil pastels are kind of dirty. If you ever want to clean yours off, if you just color with it a little bit, see how you can get the tip clean? What we're going to do is we want to add some lines to our pumpkin. And we don't want them to be straight up and down. We want our lines to follow the shape of the pumpkin. So what we're going to do is the only straight line you will make is right down the middle. Now, I'm going to start at the top and I'm going to pull down, but I bumped into the nose. So jump over the nose, boop, jump over the mouth, and straight down. Now that's my only straight line. Everything on this side of the pumpkin is going to make the backward C curve. Everything on this side of the pumpkin will make the forward C curve. And so what you're going to do is, starting at the top, I'm going to do a gentle C all the way down. And then I'm going to go back to the top again. And now I'm going to do a bigger C. And I can maybe fit one more bigger C. And notice how I have that placemat in place, so it's okay if I go off the page. Going back to the other side. Back, forward C, sorry. Forward C. Forward C. And by adding those curves, it helps make our jack-o'-lantern look three-dimensional. If you've added other details that you want to highlight, like I have a leaf, maybe I want to add on some veins for my leaf, or maybe for my pumpkin's top, I want to add some lines just to show a texture. The next part is going to be our background. For the background, you are going to get a full sheet of dark paper. And I'm going to check and see how my pumpkin's going to fit. Ooh, that's going to look great. Now, I'm going to set my pumpkin aside, and on my dark paper, using my oil pastels, I'm going to do all sorts of different lines. And so I could do vertical lines. I could do looped lines. I could do zigzag lines. And notice how bright the colors show up on our dark paper. I could do a dotted line, or broken line as it's called. And so you can have fun switching colors and doing all sorts of lines. And once you are done, we're going to get our glue out. I finished my lines, and you can see I used lots of different colors. And some of my lines, I went back in and added a couple extra lines. I'm going to get out my glue bottle to glue this. So grab your pumpkin. I almost forgot. What should I write on the back? Yeah, you should write your name. Okay. Whew. That was a close one. All right, flip your pumpkin over. Take your glue bottle, twist it open. Sometimes you need to clear the top. If it has air, should be able to get some glue out. And then I'm just going to trace a line of glue around the outer area of the pumpkin. And then carefully flip them over. And gently push down to glue in place. Once you are finished, you'll want to put it on the drying rack to finish drying, and then you can wash your hands. Nice job, guys!